How to fix RPC server is unavailable on Windows 10. There are several factors that can cause RPC server is unavailable error, ranging from some services are disabled to a disabled remote assistance. Other than that, a disabled IPv6 or file printing sharing or issues with the IP address can also be the culprit. In this latest video installment of our troubleshooting series, we will show you the ways on how to fix RPC server that is unavailable on your Windows PC. Before performing the recommended troubleshooting solutions, it's best to restart your Windows computer first. This action refreshes the Windows system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing server error. First, check Remote Procedure Call Service. This is the very first thing to do when you encounter this particular problem. It is possible that certain RPC server error can occur if there are conflicts with third-party application and there are changes in the system that causes RPC service to change. In other words, RPC service does not automatically start. To do this, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type services.msc and press Enter or click OK to open Services. On Services window, locate Remote Procedure Call RPC. Right-click and then click on Properties at the drop-down menu. Stay on the General tab, click Startup Type and then Set to Automatic. Make sure service status is started. If not, click Start. Then, click Apply to apply changes made. Click OK to exit. Next, locate the COM Server Process Launcher. Right-click and then click on Properties at the drop-down menu. Stay on the General tab, click Startup Type and then Set to Automatic. Check if service status is started. If not, click Start. Then, click Apply to apply changes made. Click OK to exit. Next, restart your computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if RPC server is unavailable error still occurs. Next, enable remote assistance in Windows Firewall. There are instances wherein Windows Firewall and other third-party firewall automatically blocks remote assistance and then disables it. Enabling remote assistance in Windows Firewall and check if the RPC server error will be fixed. To do this, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type Control and press Enter or click OK to open Control panel. Make sure Set View By is set to large icons. Then, click Windows Defender Firewall option. At left pane, click the option Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then, click Change Settings tab. Next, locate Remote Assistance. Make sure both private and public are checked to enable it. Click OK to exit. Next, restart your computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if RPC is unavailable error still occurs. Next, disable Selective Startup. When your computer boots using the Selective Startup, there are times when not all RPC components will also load that can cause the error to occur. Try to select the normal startup instead of the Selective Startup and then check if this fixes the issue. To do this, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type msconfig and press Enter or OK to open System Configuration. Then, click General tab. Under General tab, at Startup selection, click the option Normal Startup. Click Apply to apply changes made. then click OK to exit. Check if RPC server is not available. Error on Windows still occurs. Next, enable IPv6 or file and printer sharing. Most of the RPC servers requires an enabled IPv6 and file and printer sharing from Microsoft. If both are disabled, it may be the cause of this error to occur. Enable both the IPv6 and file and printer sharing for Microsoft and see if it fixes the issue. To do this, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type ncpa, cpl and press Enter or click OK to open network connections. Right-click on your current network and then select Properties from the drop-down menu. At Wi-Fi Properties, click on Networking tab. Next, locate File and Printer Sharing for Microsoft and Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6 from the list of items. Then, check if both of their respective boxes are checked. Click OK to save changes and exit Properties window. Next, restart your computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if RPC server is unavailable. Error issues on Windows still occurs. Next, force start RPC services using Registry Editor. There have been reports that the error issue was resolved after performing a force start on RPC services using Registry Editor. Try this method and see if it fixes the issue. To do this, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. At Run dialog box, type regedit and press Enter or click OK to open Registry Editor. If User Account Control UAC prompt appears, select OK. At left pane on Registry Entries, click to expand the folder HKEY_local_machine. Click System folder to expand it. Click Current Control Set folder to expand it. Then, click Services folder to expand it. Next, click RPSS folder. Double-click on Start at right pane of RPSS folder. Then, set base to hexadecimal. Set value data is set to 2. Select OK to apply changes made and exit Edit dword. Next, locate the com launch folder. Double-click on Start at right pane of DCOM launch folder. Then, set base to hexadecimal. Set value data is set to 2. Select OK to apply changes made and exit Edit dword. Next, locate RPC EPT mapper folder. Double-click on Start at right pane of RPC EPT mapper folder. Then, set base to hexadecimal. Set value data is set to 2. Select OK to apply changes made and exit Edit dword. Next, exit Registry Entries window. Then, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if RPC server unavailable. Error on Windows 10 still occurs. Lastly, perform DNS flush using command prompt. There have been reports from users that after flushing the DNS settings and then renewing its connection actually helped fix the error issue. Before performing this solution, check if the services are enabled. Check out Solution 1 on how to do it. Type command prompt at the search bar on your Windows located at the lower left. Right-click on Command Prompt Result and click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu. If user account control UAC prompt appears, select OK. At command prompt window, type the command ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter to flush DNS. Type the command ipconfig/renew and press enter to renew computer IP configuration. Wait for it to complete. Exit command prompt window. Check if RPC server is unavailable. Error on Windows 10 still occurs. After following the solutions mentioned, you will successfully fix RPC server is unavailable on Windows 10. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.